and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
It's been a dry Friday so far, but the rain is just now starting to come into view on our Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. It's just off to our southwest. I'll show you what it looks like in just a second. But before we get to that, I kind of want to give you an idea here of what I'm tracking in this forecast. For tomorrow morning, with that rain already rolling in, it's also going to be pretty breezy waking up. We're talking winds gusting at times 20 to 25 miles per hour. We catch a little bit of a break between that round of morning rain and scattered thunderstorms during the afternoon. But that's when we can see that threat for severe storms, mainly through the afternoon into the first part of the evening is when that threat is going to be at its highest for us. And what we're tracking in that is going to be the risk for damaging wind and a large hail threat. I'll show you that in just a little bit as well. But here's that view on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. We've got 3 radars. The one that's really starting to pick up on some activity now, Muscle Shoals and Decatur. We're just now starting to get into the outer ranges of our Decatur radar just off to the south there. But look at this. There's, of course, more where this is coming from. Widespread rain through Mississippi, Arkansas, parts of Louisiana. Every once in a while, I'm seeing some lightning strikes, too. So it's not going to be impossible for you to hear a rumble of thunder occasionally. But just know that that severe threat is really not present overnight tonight. We're going to be getting anywhere from 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rain with what rolls through. But just right around our Muscle Shoals radar, that's a quiet picture right now. Minute-by-minute scans out of Decatur showing us more of the same. And it's a similar view from our Gunnersville radar. You can see some of that cloud cover that's already in place here. This is something that really started to move in right around sunset this evening. Those clouds started to thicken back up. This is the view on the Way 31 Air Care System Sky Camera Network. 60 degrees in Huntsville, 62 in Decatur, just shy of 60 in Gunnersville, and 63 in Muscle Shoals. Tomorrow is not a total washout, but if you do have plans to, let's say, go to Panoply or to go to the Spring Home and Garden Show at the VBC, make sure that you've got that Way 31 Storm Tracker weather app downloaded so you'll receive alerts, and make sure that you can dodge the showers, dodge the thunderstorms if you are caught out in that. We're talking a 50-50 shot at rain and storms with that severe threat present as well through the afternoon. It is kind of more of a washout in the morning. At some points, it's going to be a 100% chance for rain. Here's the outlined risk for severe weather. It is higher farther to the south, but all of North Alabama is included in a severe threat. Most of us falling in that risk for scattered severe storms. A 2 out of 5 on the scale from the Storm Prediction Center. It's a slight risk for us tomorrow. Here's a look at how everything is ranking when it comes to those severe threats that I was mentioning to you just a second ago. Again, damaging hail and damaging wind at the top of the list. There is a tornado threat present for us. It is higher farther toward the south. Future radar as we go through tonight into tomorrow morning. All that rain that's just off to the west out into Mississippi is heading our way, and this is what we've got by 5 a.m. I would say this is by the time we're waking up, but I think on a Saturday morning, maybe a few of us are sleeping in just a little bit. So 5 a.m. all the way to 8 a.m. that first round of rain shifts off toward the east here. A little bit of a break, and watch what happens. There's 8 o'clock, there's 10 o'clock. All the way now to 3. So the break continues for several hours here. This is that scattered risk for thunderstorms that I was talking about just a second ago. Temperatures actually make it into the lower 70s. We'll have a couple of sun breaks here and there, and all of that's going to determine just how strong these storms are able to become, how much sunshine, how much energy we're going to have available to get those storms on the stronger side. But by 10 o'clock tonight, most of this is starting to wind down, and we'll have some sunshine back in here for the second half of the weekend. You will wake up to clouds Sunday morning, but notice that we've got a mostly sunny sky in there for the second half of the day. Temperatures in the lower 70s for Sunday as well. The 80s are back by Monday and Tuesday, and our next chance for severe weather looks like it's going to be Thursday into Friday.
Thank you, Kate. A group of North Alabama high school students took a cool trip after a tough year.
Why one student said the experience was so special.